Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Canon MG5750 series printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the settings language, how to change the web server and settings on this device. So to do it, open your Ambit web server. Of course, you can do it using normal interface, but now I am showing how to do it using web server. So find here language selection and just choose the language you want to use and click OK. Wait a while. And great, as you can see, my Ambit web server is translated to the German language. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.